Okay, in this video, I will show you how to use the array constraint function. Here is a set of data, 15 students, and their scores on 3 different subjects, also including their student ID. First thing we're going to do is to copy this heading, and we're going to paste it in H. And we're receiving an error here because there are no data here to calculate. This is dynamically calculating the averages. So let me show you how this function works. So we're going to put in equal array constraint, the rest of your formula within the brackets here. So first part of the formula is to define the entire range that you want to use. So I want to use all of the data. You want to report a subset of your data beginning with the first row and the first column. The second part of this formula is stating how many rows you want reported. So let's say we want 5 rows. And then the second part is stating how many columns you want reported. And let's say 1. And it's always going to begin with the first row and the first column. Hit return. So you can see it's reporting first 5 rows and is reporting 1 column, the first column. Now we can modify this. Maybe we want to report 8 rows, and maybe instead of 1 column, maybe we want 3 columns, or maybe we want all of the columns. So why is this useful? Well, suppose you want to report the top 5 students in math. You can sort the data according to the math scores and then, report your data that way. So let's go ahead and sort the data. So we're going to delete this function here and writing a new function equals sort. And we want to sort all of the data. And with the sort function, you're going to first report the sorting column. So the sorting column is going to be third column. That's the math column. We want to put in false for sorting from high to low, or true sorting from low to high. And now you can see it sorting from high to low for math. So student number 4 had the highest math score, and student 14, etc. All right, suppose now we only want to report these 5 students and not all of the data. And we can put in the array constraint in front here. So array constraint, that's the data there. And we want to report 5 rows and selecting all 5 columns. And there you go. If you wanted to select the bottom 5, then you will change this to true. And those are the bottom 5 for math. Maybe we want to do it for science. So then we'll change this, not column 3, but we're going to change it from column 3 to column 4. And now it's sorted by science. Maybe we want to sort it by student ID. Use column 2 in the sort. So select the student ID, sorted high to low. Pretty much it.